Good afternoon, I am Federica D'Ambrosio. Today we are going to review the account of one of our traders, Saber. Saber actually recently joined our funded trader program because he joined on the 29th of December, and it took for him just 1 week roughly to hit his first 10% target. In fact, we can see here on the 6th of January was already up 10%, more than 10% on his account. Very good, very well done. And of course, it never went in negative territory, and we can see how steep the equity line was for him. Very good, very, very well done. From the statistics, we can see an average daily return of 0.39%, almost 0.4%, which is a very good return. An average monthly return of 9.81% with a drawdown of only 2.03%. Very good, very well done, Saber. Let's have a look at the trades. The advanced statistics, sorry. So 43 trades he took with a profitability rate of 42%, a bit low, but I have a feeling, yes, let's have a look here. Average win 52 pips, average loss just 17 pips. So even if he has a low profitability rate, he has a very, very high risk to reward ratio, and he's cutting his wrong trades really, really short. Very good. Let's have a look at the summary to see on which pair he focused the most and which one was more profitable for him. So first of all, here we have 3 trades on the Aussie Swiss franc. He gained 231 pips on this pair, resulting in a profit of $1,055. Very good, very well done. Also, we have here just one position opened on the Aussie dollar. He gained 129 pips, resulting in $259 gained. Very good, very well done. And here as well we have 9 position open on the pound Swiss franc. He gained $236 on this one. Let's also have a look at the negative side, and we can see here, for example, 6 position opened on the pound CAD. He lost 43 pips on this pair, resulting in a loss of almost $300 on this one. Okay, very good. Let's have a look at the history of his account to see the lot size he was using. We are expecting quite a high lot size here, and so here this is when he first joined our firm, our company, on the 29th of December, and he was initially trading at 0.1, 0.2, 0.4. Then let's have a look. Oh no, he kept his lot size variable actually. 0.1, 0.4, 0.2, 0.3. This is when he hit his target on the 11th. Sorry, I thought the 6th. On the 11th of January, and is now managing his $30,000 account, and still we can see he's trading at 0.1, although he's allowed now to go up to 1 full lot, and in fact we can see he increased the lot size he's using as well, but we will see that in details in his next review. Let's have a look at the average trade length. 15 hours and 29 minutes. So from the scatter plot, what we can see that yes, the majority of his position were held for 24 hours, roughly less than 1 day, we can say, and few other more were held for longer, no more than 3 days. Unfortunately, a -1 at this stage, but we also have a positive trade here held for longer, but the majority of his position held for longer than 22 hours were actually positive trades. So, okay then, very good, very well done, Saber, and we look forward to do the second review for your account.